12 bar blues today. Now I'm going to keep this really nice and simple and straightforward. I'll show you how to do a really basic 12 bar blues pattern and explain a little bit about the 12 bar blues, and then I'll show you a couple of little tricks as well. And then in the future, if you guys want me to go into anything in depth, I can do some more videos, but today it's going to be really nice and straightforward. So what is the 12 bar blues? It's basically a chord progression. Alright, using three really simple chords. We're going to do it in the key of C. So the three chords are going to be the C, the F and the G, but we're actually going to do it as a G7. Okay, now then, on the screen at the moment you can see two graphics. First of all, you can see the letters. We're used to seeing letters and knowing they're chords. Okay, but then you've got those boxes with the funny slashes in them and a Roman numeral above. And those Roman numerals, if you don't know them already, I is 1, IV is 4, and V is 5. And they're showing us which chords to play, because you can play the 12 bar blues in any key. We are just keeping it simple today and doing it in C. So our first chord, C, because we're in the key of C, C, D, E, F is our fourth chord, hence the IV, and then G or G7 is our fifth chord, or the V. Alright, and you can see that the pattern goes, and there's 12 bars or 12 measures, so it's 12 bars long, 12 bar blues, and it's going to go C, 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 then F, F, C, C, and then G7, F, C, C. And that is basically what the 12 bar blues is. Alright, 4 on C, 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 2 on F, back to C, G7, F, C. Now obviously that is like massively fast forwarding through it all there. Alright, but that's what I played at the beginning of the video. Alright, 12 bars following those chords. Okay, so as I promised at the start, I'm going to try and keep this nice and quick and nice and short. So, first of all, I'm going to play through the three chords. It's a C chord, an F chord, and a G7 chord. And if you're not sure about those chords, go and check out Beginner's Lesson 3, because I cover those chords in that. I'll pop a link in the description below. Right, so first of all, really simple. I'm just going to play 4 down strums for each bar and go through the pattern. Okay, I'm not going to do it really slowly. Let's get through this. So here we go. Start with a C. A 1, 2, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, then on to F, bar 5, bar 6, back to C for bar 7 and bar 8, then G7, bar 9, F for bar 10 and back to C for 11 and 12. Okay, now in essence that is a very basic 12 bar blues. Alright, now just to make it sound a little bit bluesier, I'm going to put a little bit of a shuffle strum this time, or a swing strum, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So again, it's not going to be slow, alright? Here we go, so it's a C, bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4. Hear the difference in the strumming, bar 5, bar 6, bar 7, bar 8, bar 9, bar 10, bar 11, and bar 12. Okay, so straight away adding that little bit of a swing or shuffle onto the strum makes it sound more bluesy. So I'll just come in a little bit closer so you can really see what my hand is doing. Alright, so here we go. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, on to F, bar 5, bar 6, back to C, bar 7. that is, in its most basic form, the 12-bar blues. So that was a really, really basic 12-bar blues. As I said, I'm whizzing through everything today. If you want me to go back and look at things in detail in future videos, I don't mind doing that at all. Okay, a couple of little tricks now. Now, I'm not going to go into the theory of everything today. I'm just going to show you where I put my fingers so you can have a go of it as well. So instead of just down, 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 all right, you're going to do the same strum, but I'm actually going to add a couple of little notes in now. So here's the first one. All right, straight away, you've got a different sound. So coming closer, what I'm doing, I'm still playing my C chord, but I'm putting my first finger, 2nd fret on the G string, all right? So I'm actually playing an A on there because look, we've got G, G sharp and A. So here we go. Hear the difference? You just practice doing that on your C chords. Okay, so it's first finger up, first finger down, first finger up, first finger down. And then you can also, if you're feeling brave, try stretching your middle finger across to the 3rd fret on the G string. So we can sound something like this. Hear the difference again. Now, you can play it with 1 and then 2, or you could even try and slide your first finger up, which sounds quite cool as well. Okay, so that's one little trick on the C, and then on our F, we're going to do something similar. So there's our F chord, and this time I'm going to tuck my ring finger onto the 2nd fret on the C string. So in effect, we're actually playing a D minor chord, but for this sake, we're going to still call it an F. So here we go. Hear the difference, straight Fs. Playing our 2nd fret. And if we're feeling really confident, we can put our little pinky down on our 3rd fret on the C string. So it'll sound something like this. Hear the difference? And again, if you want to, you could slide your ring finger up and down. So it would be... So, if we put those 2 little tricks now back into our 12-bar blues, don't worry about the G7, there are tricks with that, I'll leave that for another day, and there's only 1 bar of it. So, here we go, this is with our little tricks, alright? Bar 5. Before, no, because that's another little trick, all right? If you're just going round and round and round, it's really nice on the 12th bar, instead of playing another C chord, if you pop a G7 in there, it just makes it all loop round a lot easier. Okay, I'll come in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and I finished on that G7 the first time round. Here we go. So I'm going to play it through again, just like I did then. Okay, a bit closer. So slide in. Onto F. Back to C. G7. F. Then C. And then G7. Because we're going to start again. Rather than slide in. F, made sense. All right. It's a brilliant way of practicing your easy chords, and just, you know, when you start off, don't worry about all those little tricky bits. All right, just play it as a normal, straight, standard 12-bar blues, and once you start getting more confident, then you can start doing the... Okay? I do hope you've enjoyed that, and hopefully now you understand a little bit more about the 12-bar blues. You can go away and practice it. As I said at the beginning, I'm keeping this one simple. If you'd like to see more to do with blues music and the ukulele, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos, and you can see the lockdown haircut growing back. Thanks for watching.